Hi friends, welcome to this Learn Logistics video. Please send your comments and suggestions to the above email ID logisticshari2020@gmail.com. You can go through our above website www.harilogisticsacademy.com for further on the Learn Logistics. Today we will see about warehousing. Definition. A simple definition of a warehouse is a planned space for the storage and handling of goods and material. In general, warehouses are junction points for product and information flow between sources of supply and beneficiaries. However, in humanitarian supply chains, warehouses vary greatly in terms of their role and their characteristics. A few decades ago, what we now call warehouses used to be dilapidated buildings called godowns. The industry has come a long way from those days to become a backbone of the manufacturing and burgeoning e-commerce industry. The sector is evolving fast with both the nature of the business and technology driving it and undergoing dynamic changes. Global warehouses. The global warehousing concept has gained popularity in the last decades as stock pre-positioning becomes one of the strategies for ensuring a timely response to emergencies. They are usually purpose-built or purpose-designed facilities operated by permanent staff that has been trained in all the skills necessary to run an efficient facility or utilizing third-party logistics 3PL staff and facilities. For such operations, organizations use information systems that are computer-based with sophisticated software to help in the planning and management of the warehouse. The operating situation is relatively stable and management attention is focused on the efficient and cost-effective running of the warehouse operation. Numerous organizations have centralized pre-positioning units strategically located globally. Some of these offer extended services to other humanitarian organizations on a cost plus operating charges basis. Policies. Strategic policies. The policies contain hard and fast rules and regulations that define the general conduct of the warehouse operation. Examples of the types of policies that organization will define are as follows. Organizational specific, health and safety, human resources management, security, pest control, warehouse maintenance and cleaning, quality control, record keeping and reporting, reverse logistics, that is return of the goods, and exit strategy in the event of downscaling or shutting down operations. Then disposal of obsolete and damaged goods. Procedures. The procedures document defines step by step how the activities in the warehouse should be carried out and clearly define the processes to be adapted. These can be adapted as best practice. The procedures provide visibility of the operations for managers. However, in creating such procedures, care must be taken to avoid constraining the use of local initiative, which might be required to deal with local conditions. Procedures should be considered as streamlining the business processes and providing checks and balances. They provide guidance to warehouse managers and must have some level of flexibility to cater to unique situations. This can be achieved by limiting the level of detail that the procedures document defines, allowing more flexibility and or by arranging dispensations to allow departure from the procedures in order to optimize local performance, especially in emergencies. The procedures will normally provide the step-by-step guidance on how to manage each aspect of warehousing and make cover, receiving and issuing of supplies, quality control or verification, storage of goods, how to control stock movement or stock control, documentation flow, how to detect and deal with stock losses, how rejected material will be managed, and how to deal with unwanted material obstacle and scrap disposal. Then types and basic principle. Types of warehouse space. Commercial, in rented building, used for business. Government or state, such as at the ports or harbors, this common is emergency situations. Transit, for temporary storage of goods destined for different locations and need storage for a very short time. Bonded warehouses, for storage of goods whose duty is unpaid and especially where the goods are destined to another country. Pre-positioned stock is often held in bonded warehouses so that export is quick and can sometimes be stored for long periods. Open storage, not ideal for perishable products, but in emergencies sometimes the only alternative. Space that is owned and managed by the organization. Prefabricated warehouses where there are no permanent structures available. This is common practice in emergencies. Basic principles of warehouse and inventory management. Planning inbound receipt procedures, storage formalities example, location management, inventory control, occupational health and safety, outbound delivery procedures. Determine needs. How to select and set up a warehouse. Determining needs. In determining needs, one should look beyond the basic need of a warehouse to store things. Whilst this is correct, there are also other considerations. The volume of goods, speed of throughput required, as a transit point, breaking bulk location, an area for sorting and consolidating different goods to enhance the speed of the response, to protect and account for investor, and as a buffer in the event of breakdown or delay in the supply pipeline. Selection and space layout. Warehouse selection factors to consider: nature and characteristics of goods to be stored, nature of handling equipment available, duration of storage needed, short term or long term, the need for other activities, example, repackaging, labeling, kitting, etc. Access and parking for vehicles, number of loading docks required, and secure compound. Warehouse preparation planning, space layout. The areas apart from goods receipt, consignment, picking, and goods dispatch, the space should be set aside for the following activities also: equipment maintenance and parking, charging of equipment batteries such as pallet trucks, refueling of trucks, an area for garbage disposal, example empty packaging, a quarantine area for keeping rejected goods to be sent back or destroyed, an employee rest area, washroom, and an administrative office, security room. Thank you, friends. We'll see continuation of this warehousing management in the next video also. Your comments are welcome. Hope you will benefit from this video. We look forward for more interactions in future videos. Please subscribe this channel so that you will get notifications whenever we upload any videos. You can send your comments on the above email ID logisticsari2020@gmail.com, and you can go through our website for further details on the logistics. Thank you once again. Thank you.